Hi there, I'm Brian Sellers. I work with SICK Incorporated in the Educational and Engagement Division. And what we're doing is we're talking about 2D vision guidance. And in particular, working with UR, we created a curriculum with them around machine vision and 2D vision guidance. The curriculum is about 22 hours long, comes with a certification upon completion. The response we're getting is pretty positive because in the robot world, 2D is still primarily used for robot guidance. And so we're kind of covering two birds with one stone. We're covering the most widely used technology for robot guidance, but then we're also addressing just the basics of machine vision. With machine vision being in virtually every manufacturing plant out there, we're getting a lot of good feedback on just learning how machine vision works. For more information, please reach out to me at any time. And yeah, I would love to talk to you about what we're doing, the exciting things we're doing in education, and maybe this kid in particular. So thanks.